Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the controller off and removing the batteries or rechargeable pack so nothing moves while you work. Once done, take the battery cover off and look for the central screw or stickered screw. Use a Torx T8 security driver and a Phillips #00 for any visible screws. Make sure to work on a flat, well-lit surface and place screws in a labeled tray. You're creating order now, so reassembly is painless later. Small tools and steady hands matter. With screws removed, use a plastic spudger at the seam to begin separating the back shell. Apply even pressure and work around the perimeter so you don't crack plastic. Once a gap appears, pry slowly. You'll feel clips release. When the back pops, lift it and inspect for ribbon cables or battery contacts. Disconnect them gently to avoid stretching or tearing. Make sure to support the front half so the joystick modules and PCB don't drop. You're protecting fragile components as you continue. Once the PCB is exposed, remove its mounting screws and lift it so you can access thumbsticks, triggers, and button membranes. Clean contacts or replace worn parts. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol for residues and let everything dry. Reseat ribbon cables and battery contacts, then test power and button response before snapping the shell back together. If it doesn't power, check that battery contacts are straight and clean. Ensure screws that act as ground are tightened, and inspect solder joints for hairline breaks. Reflow if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.